Did you know that the best Botox is not needles? And the best Ozempic is not a prescription.
What?
And we keep chasing treatments, but then we tend to ignore the habits that are quietly aging our skin every day. And here's the truth. No amount of injectables can outwork poor sleep, high sugar, chronic stress, and even inflammation. This is Marge, your certified medical esthetician. Here are the 6 things that are considered to be very effective. The best filler is hydration. The best collagen booster is sleep. The best facial is having healthy gut. Best glow serum is having that stable blood sugar. Best laser is having and applying your daily sunscreen. And the best anti-aging cream is stress control. Now, treatments enhance results, but our habits would create them. And if you want your skin that ages slowly and safely, start with what you do on a daily basis. Follow us for more.